What up, YouTube? This is Beats by Dr. Dre Review here, and I'm just going to be doing an audio test for the Beats Solo HD that I got off of Eforchina for, I think it was $8 or $9. These are the fake ones, not the replicas that they also sell. So I'm just letting you guys know the sound quality will not being as well as the other original ones, or the replica ones that I have that I bought for $64. I don't know if you can see that right there. It's a different kind. Anyways, I'm just gonna get right into this. The song I'm gonna be using is what is it? Hold on, let me just look it up real quick. Dynamite by Tyler Cruz. Just gonna plug this in. Kind of a ghetto cable, but it is what it is, you know. First, I'm going to be playing it at 30%, 50%, I'm sorry. Alright, now I'm going to start it all over again, but this time at 100%. Alrighty, that's just my official audio test for these black Solo HDs that I got off of Eforchina for $9. Alright guys, this is Beats by Dr. Dre Review. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe for a chance to win free beats and be entered into my sweepstakes. Alright guys, peace out.